everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick room tour video. If you guys have been keeping up with my channel, you'll know that I recently moved back into college after being abroad. So I'm subletting in this apartment for the rest of my junior year, and then I'll be moving somewhere new for my senior year. So just out of respect for the people that I'm subletting from, I only filmed like my portion of the room. So I hope that that's okay with you guys. I think it turned out really cute. I really like this space actually, and the apartment's been great so far. So I hope you enjoy seeing like a little insight of where I'm living. And yeah, let's just jump in. So jumping straight in, I'll just do a quick little pan around the room. It's pretty big, as you can see. We got pretty lucky with this unit in the apartment complex that we're in, and I really like it, honestly. So this is just a quick pan of the room, like I said. It's nothing like too fancy, but it definitely gets the job done. So starting off in this corner of the room by my bed, I just have like a quick little PR package on the right, and then I have a wire basket from Target where I keep all of my bags and my scarf. And then over here, this is like my little nightstand table. All of the furniture came with the room just because I'm subletting for the semester. So the girl who lived here before me kind of did all of the like arranging and furniture decisions, but I really like everything. So just on the top of my nightstand, I have that lamp from Target. I have a little wooden coaster, a rock detail, and a little marble dish. Actually, all of that is from Target. And then I just have a thing of flowers from Valentine's Day, which obviously isn't normally there, but for right now I like having them there. And then as far as the little cubbies go, the first one has this wooden basket, and I just keep some extra books, journals, stuff like that in there. And then underneath I have a little pouch from Society 6, and that just has all of my technology in it. So like extra chargers, external hard drives, headphones, SIM cards, stuff like that. And then lastly, in this little section over here, I just keep my laptop when I'm not using it for class. This is a big feature of my room, and it's this huge tapestry from Society 6. It's absolutely beautiful, and I love the coloring in it. I'll go ahead and try to leave links to most of the stuff from Society 6 down below. It's really great quality, and I love it. And then coming over to the first section of my bed over here, everything I think is from IKEA as far as like the hardware of the bed. The majority of the bedding is from Target. The white body pillow you see in the back, the pillowcases, and the comforter are all from Target. I've had them since my sophomore year, so I just like to reuse the stuff that I have, obviously. And then as far as pillows, that gray one on the far left is from Target, and then the two are from Society 6. One is just a really cute black pillow that says, "I want to drink coffee, create stuff and sleep," and the other is like a palm leaf, banana leaf print. And then the last thing on my bed is this little blanket from Society 6. It's white and it has X's on it. I really like it. I got a small knit, but I wish I'd gotten a bigger size. So if you guys are interested in this, I definitely recommend getting like a medium or even a large. And then I have this really big window, which is nice. The view isn't spectacular. It's just like a frat house, but it's nice to be like pretty close to the school and stuff like that. So coming over to this section, the first thing I have is this little string of pictures. I got this as a gift from Photo Jojo a couple years ago, but I'm sure you can still find something similar. It's really easy to hang. I just use like a push pin at the top there, and then just hang on the pictures with magnets. I have this cart, which you guys are probably pretty familiar with if you have been a subscriber for a little bit. It's this little cart from IKEA. The storage has not changed at all since my freshman year. I keep like my makeup on top, like skincare products, I guess. And then I have like all my hair stuff, face masks, and medicine, tampons, everything else I could possibly need down there. And then I just have this mirror from Target, and then I have this little area that I like to like sit and do my makeup in. These two pillows are from Society 6, and this is from Target, a very common theme in this room. And it's just like a really great place to sit and do my makeup. It's super comfy. I believe I got this in the larger size. Again, it'll all be linked down below if possible. Over here, I just have this little wooden box from TJ Maxx, I believe, and all of my makeup. If you want to see an updated makeup collection, I just posted one a couple weeks ago, kind of doing like a decluttering video, so you can go ahead and check that out if you're interested. So coming up from there, I have my little gallery wall. I absolutely love this. I think it's so cute. The majority of prints are from Society 6. I know that's shocking. So everything that you see framed or the little like poster looking things are from Society 6. I believe the cork boards are from Amazon. I got them my freshman year and I've just kind of been using the same ones since. They were like very, very thin, so they're great for like taking it down off the walls without damaging them. And then in the middle, I just have a clipboard and a calendar that I printed out online. I'm not sure where it's from. I would assume like Target, something like that, but it's just a black clipboard, so it should be easy to find if you want to recreate it. And then we have this little TV nook thing. Again, everything was furnished already, which was super cool. So that's not like my TV or stand. That's from the girl who lived here before me. But I just have a wooden clock from Target and a candle from TJ Maxx. And then as far as like storage goes on this thing, it's pretty minimal. I just have like a sweatshirt, my remote in that like first little cubby. That second cubby just has a cube full of like miscellaneous things, business cards, extra chapsticks, like pretty boring stuff, honestly. And then in that third one, I just keep all of my stuff for class. So I have some notebooks, some syllabuses are printed out. I have my sketchbook for art class, and that's pretty much it. The rest of the stuff down there, I just keep like the shoes that I most commonly wear and a trash bag. Super exciting. Coming over this way, you have the back of my door. I just have like one of those over the door organizers with it. It's pretty basic. And then I have 2 purses on it and my winter coat. And then over here, I have my keys on a command hook on the wall near the light switch, because otherwise I will lose them if I don't immediately put them up when I come in the room. If you guys lose your keys like I do, I would definitely recommend doing that. It has saved me so many times. And then over here, I just have my closet. I'm not gonna really go in depth. I'll open like one side if you guys are really curious. But it's just like a pretty basic closet. It's really big, which is nice because it has a bunch of storage. So that is what the inside of that looks like. If you're curious, I just have some like boxes up there, shoes, clothes, the whole like enchilada, laundry baskets. Pretty boring. But yeah. And then I think that that is everything for what is in my room this year. Oh, this rug is from Amazon. I really, really like it. I'll link it down below. It was super duper cheap. It was like 50 bucks and I think it's 5x7. So if you're looking for like a good cheap rug, definitely would recommend that one. I will try to leave a link to that down below if I remember. And besides that, I think that that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little overview of where I'm living this year. Like I said, I'm only staying here for a couple months, so it's not like super, super lived in. But I really, really love it. If you want to see any other videos of like where I've lived throughout college, like apartments, dorms, whatever it may be, I will have all of those linked down below. I also filmed one when I was abroad in London, so if you're curious about that, that'll be down there as well. My social media will be down below per usual, and yeah, with all that being said, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.